Here's my latest engine, Rudy Kohup design. It's an enclosed crank engine designed for high-speed running to power a generator, perhaps. It's only idling right now on about 10 pounds of air, but I just finished it and it's working out pretty good. Maybe someday I'll run the speed up, but I like it the way it is. Thank you for watching.